So this is how I do shingling. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Ashley, and today I will be showing you how to get defined curls with the shingling method. I recently learned this. Let me take this off first. So many of you may know, unless you're new, I do have naturally curly hair. I've been natural for years now. I have a pretty loose curl pattern. I don't exactly have like a 4C. I have more like a 4A. But my problem with my hair is I could never really get it to be like defined and curly, and I never wear it out because it always looks frizzy and it gets poofy. So I recently heard about the shingling method, and today I want to try it for the first time on camera. I read up on this a lot, and I also watched a few videos on YouTube on how to do this. I think I have the technique down on how to do this. So anyways, let's just get right into the video. I just got out of the shower and washed my hair. Everything is detangled, and then I sectioned it off in 4s. And if you're interested, I have a ton of hair washing videos with the different techniques. I did one for $10 and under, like a budget wash routine. I also did a lazy wash routine for when you're just over it and you're tired and you just need to wash your hair really quickly, but the lazy way. And then I also have one with packing in moisture to make sure that your hair is really moisturized. That's usually for like the winter, fall, when the weather gets a little bit cooler. So yeah, check out my natural hair playlist. I also have videos on how I do different hairstyles for natural hair for special occasions, or just different natural hair hairstyles. So yeah, I'll leave the playlist right here for you guys to check out after this video. Okay, anyways, let's get started for real this time. So like I said, I washed my hair, I sectioned it out. My hair is completely detangled. And when you're doing the shingling method, you really have to make sure that your hair is detangled. It needs to be detangled because natural hair, because it's curly, tends to like want to tangle and fuse with each other and gets really crazy. So you really want to make sure that your hair is detangled for this method. Now I wash my hair in 4s anyway, and I kept it in 4s for this video because I think it'll just be much easier to do my hair in sections. Okay, so I'm gonna first take a section about this big. You also want to make sure that your hair is wet, and I recently just washed mine, but it kind of dried up a little bit, so I'm just gonna spray a little water in it. So I'm not really going to use a comb or anything. I don't really like combs that much anymore. I think it pulls out too much of my hair. So I usually use my fingers to detangle. I use my fingers in the shower. But for the shingling method, I'm going to take this detangling brush. So this in my hands is like the only tools we're going to be using. And then I'm going to take some of this combing cream by Carol's Daughter. This is the hair milk. And I'm just going to put that all in my hair to add in the moisture. And then I want to take my brush and brush through my hair. This is just going to take out any tangles I might have left in my hair. And plus, it's really going to smooth out your curls for this shingling method. And then you will know your hair is completely detangled when you can just run the brush through in one swipe. Okay, so now to start off with the shingling method. Okay, so now to get the really defined curls and for them to hold and stay, I'm going to use some of this Eco Styler gel. This is the black castor oil flaxseed one. It's my favorite one because it smells really good and it works really good. So I'm first going to take a little tiny section like this. And the whole point of the shingling method is to really take each and every curl and define them by hand. So yes, it's going to be a long process. I'm going to speed right through this. But yeah, the whole point of this is to just get each and every curl defined. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Eco Styler gel, not too much or your hair will be crunchy. But first I'm going to take a little bit of my conditioner that I use in the shower. I'm just going to take a small little pump and put that in my hair. Again, just to add some extra moisture. This is the Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Restoring Conditioner. Now when I run this brush through, you can automatically see that my curls start to clump up on the ends right there. We don't really want that because we don't really want clumpy curls. We want defined curls. So we're going to take individual pieces. Now it might be kind of hard to see, but I have the tiny little curls here in the back. This is just the nape of my neck, so they are a little bit shorter, but as we keep going, obviously the pieces will get longer. So let's keep going. Okay, so I have this one little section done over here. It's super defined and cute. We're gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my head. I'm gonna zoom right past this since you guys, I think, have the technique down, and maybe halfway over here I'll redo the steps and explain to you guys one more time how to do it in case you didn't quite understand it the first time. And yeah, let's just keep going. So I'm actually picking up like a good amount of gel on my fingers, and then I'm just going to use this amount of gel for about 3 or 4 pieces. You don't want to put too much gel in your hair or your hair will be super crunchy and it can be stiff and your hair can break easily. So just take a little bit of gel in your hands, run it through a few sections of hair, let it clump up. Boom. Defined. It looks so good. I love it. It looks so good. Let's keep going. Sorry to interrupt, but if you like what you see so far, be sure to subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. We upload every Tuesday and Friday, and weekly vlogs go up on Sunday, all at 9:30 a.m. Okay guys, so here is the defined side and here is the non-defined side. You can see a huge difference. This side just looks really moisturized and healthy and curly, and this side just looks really dry and it looks like it just needs some help. This is exactly what I wanted. I wanted just like really nice defined curls. It's turning out really good. I don't have one, but I really want a afro pick so I can like pick the roots of my hair just to stretch out my hair a little bit so the curls can be a little bit more longer. But I love it so far. I'm gonna keep going, and yeah, we'll do this side, and then when I am finished I will show you guys the end result. Okay, so again, I am going to start off with a small section and I'm going to put in a little bit of conditioner in it just to keep it really moisturized, and then I'm going to go in with a leave-in conditioner on top of that and work both of those products into my hair really nicely, and then we can go ahead and start taking the small sections. I want to take my brush through my hair, make sure we are all detangled. Take a small section, a little bit of Eco Styler gel, next little piece, and you just keep going. Okay guys, so I'm done with my whole head. It's super defined and it looks just really healthy and moisturized. I like it, but it's really short and I don't like how short it is. And it's only short because it's really shrunken, like it's shrunk up a lot. So in order to stretch it, we can take rubber bands and do this technique. But I don't know if I'll lose the curls. Okay, let's just try it. I'm gonna take a hair rubber band, pull the hair, and move the rubber band down your hair. Like this. This is gonna keep it stretched. Let's do 3. 1 for the back, and then 1 on either side. Okay. I look crazy. We're gonna leave it stretched like this, and then I'm gonna take a blow dry it so that it could hold the shape. And then we'll take it out and it should be a lot more stretched and longer. Okay, now that we're all blow dried, and it's not completely dry, but it's dry enough for it to hold like its length and its shape. So we're gonna go ahead and take out the rubber bands. I don't know if you guys can notice a difference, but it's definitely a lot longer and stretched now. So it looks so much better. Okay guys, so I guess that wraps up this video. This is my first time trying the shingling method and I'm actually really impressed. I like it. It turned out really good. My hair is so defined and curly. It's holding its shape. It moves really easily. Yeah, so overall I'm just really happy with it. I love the results. So if you want to try this, I showed you guys exactly how to do it. I definitely do recommend doing this if you want that really like defined, loose, fun look. Because I know a lot of the time when I've been washing my hair just looks poofy and straight at the same time, but it still has a little bit of curl, but nothing is defined. It's just really poofy. But here we have no frizz, no poofiness. It's just defined, healthy, moisturized looking curls, which is the goal here. And of course you can style this different ways. This is just the middle part. Mine isn't perfectly straight, but you could do a middle part. Most of the time I just like to do like a side swoop situation, which also works. So that wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And follow us on our social media. Everything is linked down below. And be sure to check out our natural hair playlist. I will also link it down in the description for you as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!